Hello, my name is Devanshu, and in this video I am going to cover Canva. Canva is the one platform that I have been using since 2017, and it is one of the platforms which is loved by students, working professional, entrepreneurs, marketers, educators. Almost everyone loves this platform just because of its easy drag and drop features that you can use in order to create some attractive graphics, be it for social media, be it your resume, and any sort of graphics you can easily create here. So if you are a beginner, you should watch this video till last. I have explained some of the important features that shall help you in your day-to-day life. Even if you have used Canva in past, so in upcoming videos I am going to share some of the advanced features of Canva that you can explore. And also you can refer to the description. I have added the timestamps, so if you want to explore some specific feature, you can refer to the timestamp or chapters. So before we proceed ahead, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can get notification on upcoming videos. So without further ado, let us begin. Once you have logged in into Canva, so this is a kind of interface you'll be getting. Here you can see there is a banner of design anything. So here you can enter whatever you want to design. Let's say if I want to create some Instagram posts, I can type for Instagram, and you will see already there are so many suggestions out there. So you can choose like Instagram post, Instagram story, like anything here. Likewise, what other options, so we'll be creating one graphic here, and this is that way I'll tell you how to edit everything here in Canva. And here you can see this is a design option. So you will find a lot of templates. You want to create a presentation, you want to create a Facebook post. The best thing about it, not just you will get the templates here, but also you are not supposed to choose the dimension. So you will be able to see the dimension has been written below each one. So like these are the square images for Instagram. So here you can see there are a lot of with your posters, Twitter header, Instagram, LinkedIn banner, infographic, invitation cards, flyers, your story, your brochure, photo collage, a resume, and YouTube channel. Are like so many things are available. These are your recent designs. So whatever you have been recently editing, so that shall appear here. Then here you can see again suggestions are there for Instagram posts. Then so these are the logos. You can choose an attractive or relevant logo from here. Then there are a lot of hundreds of suggestions or hundreds of different formats you will find here, and probably there will be thousands of templates that are available on Canva, both free as well as some premium templates are also there. So let's get started. Let's say if we want to create a Facebook post, quickly you can search it here. If you don't want to search it, you another option is create a design. You click over here, you can choose it from here. So once I have chosen Facebook post dimension, so this is the canvas here, and in this canvas I shall be able to drag and drop each and everything here. So this is blank by default. On the left you will be able to see there are a lot of suggestions or templates available that I can choose from. So I think maybe I want to choose something related to coronavirus. If I want to make a post around the coronavirus, so you can see there are a lot of templates that are available here. So let's say I choose this one probably, and there you can see these are the multiple images. So you can simply click over it, and you can see what the images are, and you can apply them. So you can see 1, 2 and 3, all these images are there now, right? Not just one. So let's get started with the basics, how you do this editing. Let's say I just want to, like, this doesn't go fine with the your color, your brand's color. You can change the color and choose it from here. Whatever the color you want to pick, you shall be able to do that. I want to choose this color as well. I'll just select your text and pick a color from here. Maybe this one, maybe this one I can choose. Okay, should be. We are here for your pets. I want to change these colors as well. You can do that. Maybe I would like to change the background's color, and let me choose. This is looking pretty odd though. Okay, so it's up to you. Whatever the background that you find is relevant, you can do that. Okay, likewise, you shall be able to change everything. You want to delete anything, you are free to do that. You want to change the text, you shall be able to make any changes. You want to delete, you don't find page useful, just delete it. Right here you can upload your website details. So let's say I want to put my website here. All right, so I can upload my handles over here. So like whatever your handles are, your Twitter, etc. So this has been written in text. You can do that as well. Okay, uh, apart from this, let's say, let me quickly tell you, if you want to choose the logos of these handles, so go to elements and let me find for Facebook. Okay, I want to enter the Facebook logos. You will find a lot of logos over here. Choose the one that you find relevant. So I would like to try this one. So just click over it and drag it here, and you can choose it here, and you shall be able to upload the text here. Likewise, you can do for Instagram or whatever the other platforms are there. So these are available for free here. I have chosen this logo, and size is not equal. Okay, I think it is fine now. What I can do, I am going to put a text here. So okay, so since mine are both are different here, so okay, so you just choose, like, if you are not liking this heading, you can go with the bigger one. Okay, it's okay. So I want to put it this way so that people, it is easy to read. That's the reason I have kept the D in uppercase. You can put it here like this way. If it is covering it, maybe I can make it a bit small here. Okay, since this is not applicable to Facebook, I can keep it like this way. I can adjust it, or I can go back to elements. I can search for a Twitter logo here, since the logo, or I would say the usernames are same, handle is same. Okay, so I have chosen this one. Wow, isn't it looking pretty cool here, right? So you can choose, maybe this one might have been pretty relevant here. So you can play around the logos or designs that you find are useful to you. You can drag them. You want to, just in case you want to change its color, you have to simply click over the logo. Give me a moment. Click over logo here. You would be able to change its color. Of course, that want to, okay, this is probably like you want to use a Twitter color, so it's up to you. You want to keep it black, I'll keep it black. Okay, uh, this is the same case with here as well. Okay, so this thing is done. You can work around this, you can adjust this as well. So there is no need for this thing here. Probably I can delete it. It is not looking good, right? You can edit all the text here, you can edit your pictures over here. I want to keep it like a thank you here, so I'll quickly do that. Now next, what are options so that I want to quickly take you through. So let's say I don't like this design, or so here you can see there is a thank you page as well. So maybe I can, if I want to shift, just quickly go and select all the design. You can click over here, copy, and go to this design. Wherever you want to paste it, just paste it. Okay, so it has been pasted on this page as well. So isn't it pretty amazing? And just a quick copy paste. So if it is not looking cool, you can change the fonts as well. Font, there are a lot of fonts available over here. So whatever the font that goes with your design, with your expectations, you can always do these. So there are a lot of free fonts available over here, right? So you can always, this is not looking pretty cool here. So let me choose some random one here, maybe this one. Okay, moving on. Let's say I want to change this background as well. So I want to put a photo. So go to photos. Okay, maybe I want to put something related to nature. Okay, but here the issue is these are the premium images, so means I need to buy these images if I don't have a premium account. So what do I do? There you go to this option here, click over these three bars, and just choose the free ones. So this is how you can shortlist and get the free images over here. um, which one would be relevant? Maybe I can try this one. So you can click over it, it will appear over here. One option is you just drag it over here. Now it is overriding the dog here. So what you can do, just click over the image, send it to back, and you can see it is now at the back side. But still it is not there on a complete screen, so you can drag it. This is like a one way of doing it, or just click over it and click over the replace background, and this is how it has been replaced here. If you want to make more changes, just click over the background twice and you shall be able to adjust the canvas. Or manual way of doing this is just click over a background once and click over crop, and this is how you shall be able to adjust your background. Alright, so these are some quick ways to get you started here. And then, okay, so I can do like a make on all the changes. Let's say I want to like change these elements as well. I want to have a different kind of dogs. Then again, this is elements is your section. Go and find whatever is relevant to you. So these are a lot of free bees available, so you can choose it. Maybe this would look pretty cool on the thank you page if I add this. So I'll quickly remove this. So once you are done, you are good to go. And if I show you to how to make like complete changes, like here I can do that, and I can change the image as well by going here. And if I drag this image or click twice over the image, it shall appear over here, like two images are there. And replace the background, so I have completely changed it. And now go to text, I want to add a heading, mm, so stay home, stay safe. Let's say if this is something really related to COVID you want to promote. Okay, this is all drag and drop here. You can change from here like the font size. So I'll keep it here, and I want to make it a bit bigger, bigger and bigger here. Okay, so it is there now. What I can do, I want to make certain changes here. You can go there and you want to do a per case, do that. You want to play around the effects, you can play around the effects as well. So there are a lot of effects as well available over here, so you can consider doing that. You can choose the different colors or transparency options here available here. So this is how you can get started. So this is the simplest way of doing it. Let me quickly do, I want to rename it. So my FB post, let's say I want to add my own logo. You can upload a picture here. So once you upload, all the pictures shall get saved here. So there you can see Tesla logo is here, but let's say if I want to put my own logo, uh, I need to figure it out. So it is there, just click over it and you are good to go now. Okay, so it has been chosen here. I can, maybe it will look up pretty good here or here, so it's up to you. Whatever the way, I can adjust its size here. All right, stay home, stay safe, and I want to add one more thing. I want to put this hashtag here, never stop learning, no matter what. Okay, okay, LEARNING. Okay, so I can make it small and then drag it here, and boom, I am good to go here. Right, so like this is a quick way of doing it. I want to change the color here, I can do that as well. Whatever is resonates with your brand, so that you have to choose that of course want to look great here maybe. So you can play around those options, and whatever you find is pretty much relevant to your graphic objectives, just go with that option. So once you are done with your images, maybe I'll put it here, or let me make slide changes. Okay, once you're done with your changes, go there, you can publish it on Facebook, so you need to integrate your Facebook account. Otherwise you just go and download this image from here. There are different formats available. Choose one relevant format. So usually I choose a PNG if I have to upload it on a website. I choose I choose JPG, or if I have to upload on website due to small size. You can choose PNG if you are looking for a high quality image, and a PDF if you want to use it as PDF. You can create it into video as well. You can create a GIF file as well. So I want to download it in an image. These are the 3 pages. Let's say I just want to download one. I have chosen one and click over here and click download. Boom, it shall get downloaded to my computer and I shall be able to use it. Okay, so it has been downloaded. Yeah, I can show you here quickly, and this looks pretty cool. So that's a quick way to get started with Canva, and in upcoming videos I am going to show you some more advanced and attractive yet very relevant features that you can use in your day-to-day life.
Well, thank you for watching this video. If you have still not subscribed this channel, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel so that you get notification on upcoming videos. And in upcoming videos, I am going to cover some more interesting features of Canva. So see you in next video.